Here's a shocking truth. The way businesses make decisions is undergoing a silent revolution, and it's happening right in the palm of our hands. The mobile business intelligence, BI, market is exploding, projected to skyrocket from a staggering 18.26 billion in 2024 to a mind-boggling 138.9 billion by 2034. But here's where it gets controversial. While North America currently dominates this landscape, Asia Pacific is poised to become the fastest growing region, fueled by rising smartphone adoption and ambitious digital government initiatives. This shift raises questions about the future global balance of power in the BI arena. And this is the part most people miss. The integration of generative AI is not just a trend, it's a game changer, transforming how businesses interact with data, making BI more conversational and intuitive. Imagine a world where complex data analysis is as simple as having a chat. However, this convenience comes with a price. Increased concerns over data security and privacy, especially in a BYOD, bring your own device world. As we stand on the brink of this transformative era, one can't help but wonder, are we ready for the ethical and security implications of such powerful, accessible technology? The mobile BI market is not just growing, it's evolving. And it's inviting us to evolve with it. But at what cost?